Okay, so here we are. This is the passenger side of the Nissan Titan 2006. And turns out that right here, this right here, this one, this two pin, these are the power wire. The bottom one is ground, top one is live wire. Now, one of these, this one is for the lumbar. This one is for the heater, for the seat heat. Yeah. So right now, it's spliced, made my own connector. That's gonna go plug in here. I'm gonna run it under the carpet and straight to the fuse box. And the ground wire, I'm just gonna ground it to the metal of the car. So let me just... Okay guys, now for the driver's side. I had to take the whole thing apart. So basically, see this white wire right here with the black stripe? That's a hot wire. So is this green wire right here, solid green wire. That's also a hot wire. Then you have to ground this wire, which is ground obviously. And then there was this also wire right here, green with white stripe. That's also a ground. Once you ground those, you're good to go. I went into the main box and backtracked every wire to see where everything goes. So basically that is it. Remember, if you have the old harness, you just gotta do the yellow with the red stripe and the blue, and then just the two ground wires. If you don't have the old harness, white with black stripe, solid green, those are power. Then solid green with white stripe, that is ground. And then the black wire, that is also ground. 1, 2, 3, 4 cables. Those are the only 4 cables you need to mess with. Other than that, don't mess with the other. Thank you.